Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you love all things makeup related, be sure to subscribe and like and comment. Those always help my videos out. I created this super royal gold dramatic eye look using the Soft Glam palette, and we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. That is what she looks like. She is super old, but still absolutely perfect. First, I'm gonna go with the shade Burnt Orange on an L'Oreal A11 blending brush, and this shade is going to help warm up my eyelid and define my crease. So I'm just going to blend that right here into my crease. I mean, look how pigmented and blendable that eyeshadow is. It's literally like blended away in like seconds. I've created several tutorials using Soft Glam because it's just such a perfect classic palette. It's really just one of my top favorite palettes. It's amazing. If you don't own it, I'm telling you, your collection needs it. It's just such a good overall palette. The mattes are amazing. The shimmers are perfect. Anastasia Beverly Hills, she kills it every single time. I love her formula, and it's really just a really good palette. So I'm just going to blend out the edges there. Like that. Alright, so that is my really warm crease. I blended it up pretty high on the lid. These brushes are amazing as well for blending out eyeshadow so perfectly. And as you know, I'm an over blender, not an under blender. And there's the first shade. With a flatter blending brush like this, I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna go the shade Rustic on a flatter brush like this. This is the L'Oreal A20. Rustic just on the outside of my crease here. Not gonna bring it into my inner crease. I want Anastasia Beverly Hills to come out with more palettes. It's been a while for there. They came out with Nouveau and they came out with Rose Metals, and I was super excited. And it looks like they stopped, like they slowed down a bit, but I really want her to come out with like another really good, maybe like an all neutrals palette. Like that would be the dream, but I don't think that's her style. I don't think she likes neutral, if you know what I mean. I am a neutral gal, but I love dramatic eye looks too. So yeah, just darkening up the outer crease, just rubbing it back and forth like that. So I have this like warmth and then just a little bit of the dark brown. Same brush, I'm gonna take the shade Cypress Umber. This shade is dark, dark. And I'm gonna keep it right here on my outer V, which is where your iris is. It's the white part on the side of your iris. So I'm just gonna try and darken this up really good, keeping that darkness all the way, keeping the darkness all the way in the outer V. And dragging it down my bottom lash line a little bit. Okay, now that she is dark, smoky, this is like old school 2010 smoky eye right here. It's a little patchy right there, so I'm just gonna try and fix that. Maybe I just need I'm gonna try and go with a more dense blending brush. This is just I don't even know what brand this is. It's a random brush, I use it all the time, but really I just like how it's pointed and like dense and blendable. Cypress Umber. Just gonna blend it out. All right, so now gold called bronze and this sultry purple are calling my name. So first I'm gonna go in with the gold bronze. I'm going to tap that into the inner half only. Like that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and so pigmented. Like this palette is so old, but look how absolutely stunning that gold is. Can't, like, I'm telling you, her palettes blow my mind every time I use them. Okay, next I'm gonna go with the shade Sultry. I'm just gonna clean my finger, go in with Sultry, go in with Sultry. That like royal look of the purple with the gold, like the colors of royalty. And that is looking so pretty. Gold, maybe there is some gold in this. I feel like the gold is like taking over, and I don't want the gold to be that much of a takeover. Okay. So there's that. If you want to keep it like this, not as dramatic, you could. However, I just want to go with that black Nior. Go in with this kind of brush again. I'm gonna go in with the black. I really didn't think I was gonna get that crazy with this eyelid, but you know what? The black was just like calling my name when I was doing all this. Keeping it low. I'm gonna do my outer lower lash line with this one as well. All right, I'm gonna get a brush like this wet and go in with the purple. My brush is wet, and I'm gonna go in with that purple and just see if I can get the purple to just, yes, that's what I want. Oh yes, look how that purple is looking. So stinking pretty. Totally shining through, having the moment that Sultry deserves. Back it on my finger in gold, and I'm gonna press this into like that. Here, I'm actually gonna take some of Sultry, which is on this brush while it's wet, and I wanna brush this like underneath my eye. Oh yeah. That soft glam could create such a like beautiful, pretty, purpley, royal smoky eye. Small detailing brush and go in with this highlighting shade called Tempera. Tempera is one of my favorite inner corner highlights. It's really, really pretty. It's like a matte, but it has this sheen. It's like a satin, and it's just really pretty. I'm just gonna brush it away. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that shade as well. And just go back in my inner corner. Like that. Then I'm gonna apply some of Essence Nude Eyeliner to my bottom waterline. Apply some mascara. And then I'm going to apply some Ardell Wispy Lashes. Alright guys, that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.